Now, with it being Veterans Day, around the 4 states, celebrations are taking place both in person and online. And this morning, our own Jesse Irwin joins us live from the PSU Veterans Memorial, where he's joined by Captain Eric Leon. Jesse?
Thanks, Michael. Yeah, we are here this morning with Captain Eric Leon, and you are an assistant professor of military science. Can you explain what that means? Because I know you're involved with the ROTC program, but what does it mean to be an assistant professor of military science?
So, just like any professor here at the university, I am teaching cadets, martial students, to basically enter the military as commissioned officers, as compared to the enlisted side of the military.
Okay. And what does that take to be in the military? What are you looking for?
It takes a lot. I mean, we're looking at integrity, character. We're looking at a whole human here in regards to not just academics, but is this person willing to go all the way in service of the nation, and protect others and to lead others, or men and women of this nation. So it's a whole encompassing approach of teaching and developing and guiding individuals.
So you're not just looking for skill sets, you're looking for potential.
Definitely, yes.
Right.
I see that a lot of my own evaluations when we evaluate others as well. We're looking for that potential. We're not just looking at where this person is currently, but where he's going to be in the next 5, 10, 20 years from now.
When you speak with other veterans, I know you've served for how many years now?
18 years now.
18 years. So you've learned a lot in terms of not just introducing students and kids to the military, but also working alongside people and then meeting veterans who are older than you. So what do you sort of notice are the themes in terms of personality, in terms of just overall mindset when it comes to a veteran?
To a veteran, persistence, I would say. For those who stay in, persistence and adaptability. I mean, things change throughout the years. I mean, I'm not the same person I was a decade ago, 2 decades ago. So it's really just about enduring the hardships that it is, to actually serve this nation, not just here in the United States, which I love working at this university, but, finding yourself in Iraq or Afghanistan. Just plowing through that hardship and then coming back to the States.
What would you say Veterans Day means to you in comparison to other days of the year?
It's changed over the years for me. So this year actually marks the time in my life in which I've spent more than half of my life actually serving, being an actual veteran. So really, just like in many of the other holidays, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, just a day of remembrance, just to thank the veterans. So really, I treat it as any other day. Really, a word of advice I would give to everyone else who has a veteran in their life or knows someone, just a simple thanks would do for us.
Fantastic. Captain, we really appreciate you joining us this morning.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we're happy to have you here, especially here at the Veterans Memorial in Pittsburgh, where, Liam, you can just show them. This is one of the most beautiful places in southeast Kansas you can come to, and especially on Veterans Day, I think it's a great spot for us to be this morning. So, Captain, thank you again, and we're going to be here all morning long, so Michael will send it back to you, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit.
Jesse, thank you very much, and tell Captain Leon that we greatly appreciate his time this early in the morning, and tell him that we all say thank you for his service as well.